Hey, what's going on? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. What I wanted to do today is go over the Newbies on Fire compensation plan. You're going to have to excuse the side camera angle. So I just got this whiteboard, and in my office, the lights are horrible. So, I have this lamp that I pulled from the other room just to give it that, because I'll show you what happens. I turn on the ceiling light, and as you can see, it kind of messes up right over there. So I decided, let me just see what I can do. But eventually I'm going to get some better lighting in here, get some better audio equipment. But one thing I learned in the past is stop trying to make things perfect before you get started. Otherwise you'll never get started. So just do the best you can, go with the flows, and adjust and correct as you go on. Because YouTube is new for me. I should have started a long time ago. I've always been an internet marketing guy. I've been more behind the scenes. Always been somebody to teach people, instruct people, but YouTube had never been something that was on the radar for me until maybe the last 6 or 7 months ago, and I decided that, coming up in 2020, which it is now, I said I want to start doing more YouTube videos and getting more content out there. I have years and years of information, knowledge, and stuff that I want to share, but for right now, before I get into general knowledge and sharing things, I want to share a couple of programs with you. Number one, being Newbies on Fire. So this is a program I just joined this month. Already doing pretty well. I'm almost at about $800 commission, and I haven't really promoted it that heavy, to be quite honest with you. I haven't done any sort of paid traffic. I've just introduced it to a couple of friends and here and there, and kind of how I started. And I started at the $30 level, the very bare minimum. Generally, when I get into programs, I like to start at the beginning, but we have a different philosophy with this program. With my sponsor and the group that she's running, we wanted to see everybody start at the $30 level and progress upwards from there. So that's what we're doing. So hopefully you can all read this. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. Okay, so in Newbies on Fire, we have 4 positions currently. Okay, there's a $25 position, $100, a $250, and a $500. Why are the numbers off? Because I added the administration fee too. So when you pay your sponsor and get in, there's also administration fee. So if you come in at the $25 level, $25 goes to your sponsor, plus $5 that goes to the administration fee to the company to help maintain the websites, the program, the content, and everything. So that's the administration fee that goes toward that. Okay? So at the $25 level, it's $5. At the $100 level, the administration fee is $10. At the $250 level, the administration fee is $25. And at the $500 level, the administration fee is $50. All right? So I'm going to take this from the top, okay? So let's just say that you or somebody you're recruiting, this is their first time doing internet marketing. They're a little bit apprehensive. They don't really want to spend a lot of money, but they are intrigued enough to get involved. Well, that's perfect, because you want to get them started at the $30 level. And in our group, we have a 30 for 30 challenge where we want to inspire, motivate, and educate these people that are coming in at the very beginning at the $30 level, help them go through tutorial videos that we've created specifically for our group to help them progress. All right? So the way Newbies on Fire works, it is a reverse 2-up system. What does that mean? It means 2 of your sales will roll up. That would be what you do. So in order to progress, you have to take 2 of your sales and roll them up. Now you don't get to pick, it's already predetermined. It's going to be your second sale and your 4th sale, hence the little red arrows that are pointing up, because they're going to be pass-ups, okay? First sale goes to you, because we want you to try to break even as soon as possible. So when the first sale comes in, you'll get your $25 back, the one you paid to your sponsor. So you've made your $25 back. You're still down $5 from the administration fee, not a big deal. Okay, your second sale, that's the one that will pass above you, all right? And then the 3rd sale, that'll come to you. At this point, you are now in profit, all right? And then the 4th sale will pass up. So now that is your 2 pass-ups on that level. Everything that comes in after that, your 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, all those sales, any of those $25 sales that come in, all that money goes to you. You've already passed up your 2. So for the purposes of this demonstration, 4 sales that came in. You technically had 6 sales, 2 of them got passed up. But let's just talk about the 4 that you actually got paid on. $25 a piece, all right? So that's going to be $100 that you've made in commissions. Now we're going to subtract 85. Why are we going to subtract 85? Because in this program, unlike other programs where when you go to the next level, you have to pay that entire fee again, that's not the case with Newbies on Fire. You just pay the difference. So when you're going from the $25 level to the $100 level, that is a $75 difference. But there's also that $10 administration fee, hence $85, okay? You made $100, you upgraded, you still have $15 profit left over. So after all that first level, you still have $15 profit. Now, we're going to progress to the $100 level. However, if more sales come in at $25, that's all your money to keep, okay? But we're just going to keep this simple for the demonstration. Now, on the $100 level, let's say the exact same scenario plays out, okay? You're now recruiting, you're marketing in different places, you're trying to get people in at $100, all right? So, first person comes in, that money is yours. That $100 is yours. The second one would pass up. The third one is yours, all right? So now, again, you're in a profitable situation. The fourth one will pass up. Fifth, sixth on is all yours. So now let's do the same scenario again. So on the second level, you've made 4 commissions of $100. That's $400. Now, let's subtract 175. Why? Because the difference between 100 and 250 is 150, plus there's a $25 processing fee. All right, hopefully you all are following me. So it's $400 that you made minus 175. That equals $225 you have left, profit, plus the $15 from the previous level. Now you have $240 cash in your pocket, plus you are positioned to make $250 commissions, $100 commissions, and $25 commissions. Do you see the power of this? Okay, so that does it. So like I said, if somebody feels like, oh, Nick, I really want to do this program, but, I wish I had $500 so I can make those big commissions. It's okay, because I'm showing you the roadmap where you could start at $30 and still build your way there. So now, we are at the $250 level. Same process again. You're out there marketing. You're still having sales come in at $25. You're still having sales come in at $100. But now you're really ramping up your marketing efforts. You're going after people that might have $250 to invest, right? First 250, yours. Second one rolls up. Third one, yours. Fourth one rolls up. Fifth, sixth, and on is yours. So now you have 4 commissions that you've collected from brand new people. They have paid you $250 each. All right? Now you've made $1,000 in commissions. That's $1,000 cash. Now we subtract $300. Why? Because the difference between $250 and $500 is $250 plus the $50 fee. That's $300. So out of the $1,000 you just collected on this level, $300 is going to help you upgrade to the top position. $700 goes in your pocket, plus the $240 from the round before. I shouldn't say the rounds, the levels before. And now you have $940 cash in your pocket, and you are completely positioned to get the commissions on all the levels. So now you're at the $550 level. Now you're looking for some, I guess you could say you're looking for some heavy hitters, right? So at this point, you have some social proof to show. You have some Facebook posts you can do some Instagram posts, you can show some proof, you can put the stories out there that say, hey, listen, in a short period of time, I was able to put $940 in my pocket and reach the top level of this company. Now, the heavy hitters are starting to notice. So, hey, what are you doing? Let me see what you're doing. So they come in. Now, these are people that are well established. They actually have the $500, and you're positioned to collect that $500. First one comes in, $500 for you, okay? Second one passes up, third one for you. Fourth one passes up, fifth, sixth on is yours, all right? So you had 4 new people that came in at the $500 level. Times 500 is $2,000, plus the $940 from the 3 levels previous, $2,940, okay? So in this scenario, you've made almost $3,000, and what did you do? You signed up 24 people. Not that hard, right? You signed up 24 people. You've made almost $3,000. Out of the 24, 8 were pass-ups. Okay, so that's the simple way to look at it. There's actually more money in here than what I just said. That was a very simple overview, because you have to remember something. All of these people that came in at the $30 level, well, they want to advance too, right? So when they take their profits in advance, they pay the difference, but guess who? They pay the difference to you. All right. So when this person goes from the $25 level to $100 level, when they upgrade with their profits, guess what? It's another $75 for you. You collect the difference. So do you see what I mean? Is that if you keep helping your team, there's like a duplication process that's happening. On top of that, All of this can be done without paid traffic. You don't have to spend money on solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, whatever the case. All those things can help if you do them correctly. Just remember that certain platforms, maybe like Facebook ads, they don't really make money online kind of programs. So you have to be very careful. You don't want to lose your Facebook ad account because you could use that later to brand your actual business yourself. Rather than brand a program, brand yourself. That's one thing you always want to know, is that you are the business. Okay? So make sure that people understand that they're doing business with you, not with the company, because companies come and go, things change, right? Your passion, your desires might change. You need to brand yourself. So my word of advice there is protect your Facebook ads account for when you really need it, because all this can be done with organic traffic. I've done this with organic traffic. Okay, people on my team have done this with organic traffic. They're making sales. They're putting out valuable content, they're reaching out to people, they're making connections, they're putting out social proof, and then this can happen, all right? So that's kind of what I wanted to show you. Now, that's the compensation plan, but what is Newbies on Fire? Well, Newbies on Fire is a program, it's like an educational program that has a referral system built in. That's how you make these sales. Now, is it like network marketing? Is it like multi-level marketing? To an extent, yeah, but you have to realize you can only make commissions on, your people that you recruit, and maybe some pass-ups below that. So that's the only thing that can happen. You can't build this several layers deep. So in that respect, it's not like a multi-level marketing company, but there is a networking component. So it's an educational program that has a referral system that's built in, okay? And that referral system pays out 100% commissions. That's the beauty of it. So you have to really think about that you have a program here that pays you 100% commissions. There's not too many programs that do that. That puts so much leverage into your hand, okay? So if you come up with creative angles, like, how would you like to make 100% commissions without having to work very hard? Now, those type of lines are very intriguing. And guess what? It's not fake. It's real. It's an actual program that actually does work like this, okay? So as far as Newbies on Fire, when you get in the $30 level, you're going to get some basic training. When you go to my website, in the description below, you're going to see how the breakdown is of every level. But in the first level, you're going to learn a little bit about branding, how to build your logos, how to, kind of create your platform. As you move up in the ranks, you're going to learn different things, all the way from, how to use cool new tools like chatbots. That's what I like about this program. It's not outdated stuff. It's stuff that's actually working today. All right, so you're going to learn about cool things all the way up until the top level, where you're going to learn how to create your own digital products and things like that. On top, you're going to get 5 years of my experience. Now, I've been doing it more than 5 years. 5 years I've been doing it full time. Okay, that's when I quit my job. I've been doing it almost 5 years. It'll be in April. I've learned a lot of things in those 5 years. I'm going to be sharing those. So when you join my Facebook group, you're going to have access to me. You're going to learn a lot of extra knowledge on top of the cool things that Newbies on Fire teaches. So this is what the compensation plan looks like now. $500 is the top level for now. Could they potentially have a higher level in the future? Sure. They have to justify it, right? If you make $1,000 level, well, you're going to have a training that is congruent with having a $1,000 position, right? If this is what it ends up being, $500 level, it's a perfectly fine program, because this is something you could do. If you really work hard, you could sign up 24 people in a month, put $3,000 in your pocket, unlock all of this, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Now, if you get to the point where you've unlocked this whole system and you're making good money and you say, well, Nick, this is great, but I want to learn more, I want to do more, don't worry. I have plenty of other options for you. There's a lot of other stuff that maybe Newbies on Fire might teach it at some point, but if not, there's a YouTube mastermind I'm in, there's a Facebook ads mastermind I'm in, there's like different high-level coaching. But I want you guys to start here, because I want you to go through the journey and learn all these things. So when you get to this level, you have such a good foundation, and you've made money, you're in profit, you're not in the hole. Now you can look at some bigger things. Now you can start to build your brand, and I'd be more than happy to help you with all of that, okay? So that is Newbies on Fire. Like I said, my description is in the link below. You can check out all of the compensation plans, all the different levels, all the coaching, and not all the coaching, all the course modules that you get. And then also, if you want, my booking calendar is there. If you want to book a 15-minute call with me because you're still not sure where do you want to get in, or how do you want to do this, you have some questions, go ahead and book a 15-minute call with me. My consulting fee is usually $250 an hour. But because I want you guys to all start and I want to make sure I set the right expectation, everything is good with you before you get involved, more than willing to spend 15 minutes with you so we can kind of get to know each other. There's no charge. I just want to make sure that when you get in, you have all your questions answered, okay? So just go in the description area below. All the information you need is there. You can hook up with me on Skype, on Facebook. You can email me. You can set up that 15-minute call, however you want to do it, okay? Now, when you set up that 15-minute call, I'll probably shoot you over an email with some questions I need you to answer before the call, just so I can better prepare, because I want to utilize those 15 minutes and not like waste time, because this is about you. This is about getting your success started, okay? So hopefully you liked that presentation. Hopefully it was very clear to you. As you can see, it is a compensation plan that pays 100% commission. It is very, very easy to get this going. If you have a daily method of operation and you follow what I teach you and you do those things every day, you're going to build on your momentum, because people see things when it's repetitious. When they see that you're posting every day and you're engaging every day and you're putting out valuable content. It's not just about Newbies on Fire. Put out content on things that motivate you, things that are valuable about your lifestyle. There's a whole way that we go about this. It's a very psychological thing when you do organic marketing and you're on Facebook and on Instagram and trying to get your message out there. So like I said, I don't want to go too long. I think you guys get the point now. So go in the description below, book that 15-minute call. Let's see what level is best for you to come in at. Like I said, I even started at the $30 level because I wanted to prove the point that you can do this organically and get to the $500 level, okay? So like I said, we can discuss anything you want on that call. I look forward to talking to you, getting you on the team, and teaching you all the things that I know that can make you a better internet marketer. All right.